Okay, this is the rest of the quandary here, right? So the first thing to do is to figure out the weight of this. The weight of 1 kilogram is what? 9.81, right? That is 1 times 9.81, right? Okay. Then we draw these forces, okay, acting on this guy. And we've got this guy here. And this guy has components like this and like this. And then, of course, the component to the right is the same, which means that that one's going to be less force. Yeah, that's why it's less. I mean, geometrically, you could draw this. If you drew this 9.81 and then made these guys somehow the sum, it would work out, right? And then this side, let's call this guy A and this guy B. Or no, I'm going to call this guy, yeah, T1 and T2, should I? There we go. Right, so this side here, this is T1 cos 59, right? This one here is T2 cos 49, because it's the adjacent side. This side here is T2 sine 49, right? This one here is T1 sine 59, right? Okay. Then we set up our little expressions. These guys cancel each other out, so minus T1 cos 59 plus T2 cos 49 adds up to 0, right? And then T1, gotta use the right color though, right? You know, T1 sine 59 plus T2 sine 49 equals the downward force, right? So upwards, the sum of the upward forces, that's a 9, that one's a 4, right? Equals the sum of the downward forces, yeah? And then our matrix looks like this. We represent this with a matrix minus cos 59, cos 49, sine 59, sine 49, right, times T2, T3 equals 0, 9.81. Yeah?
This is what's on the skill set, right?
Yeah, this is the skill set coming right up, yeah? Okay. Then do we know how to do that? How many people would like to see me put that in the calculator again? Would that be good? Okay, so get your calculators out. Get your calculators out. What? Yeah, you can do that too. I'm doing it this way. You can do trig angles as well. Would David, would you turn the camera so it's like focused on the screen like that? Not that you volunteered to be the camera assistant. There you go. Oh, it's beautiful. A little higher. There you go. It's beautiful. All right.
If you want to make sure this is like perfection, you need to change the T2 and T3. You should do T1, T2. Doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. I put the wrong things in there. T1, T2. No, you don't need. If you use the trig angle, you don't need the minus. Yeah. So it takes care of it. Okay. So let's go second matrix. Right. The first thing we're going to do is edit. So let's go over to edit. Okay. Now, if your name is Ed and you've done this previously, then you would say Ed had edited it. Right? Let's all say that. Ed had edited it. Now say it a little faster. Ed had edited it. Say it really fast. Ed had edited it. Ed had edited it. Thank you. All right. We are now editing this one. Okay? So A is a 2 by 2. Are we good? So go 2, enter, 2, enter. Right? Now we're on our first one. Our first one is negative cos 59. So the opposite of cos 59. If you use the trig angle for that, you should get the same number I got, negative 0.515. Right? Okay. And then cos 49. So cos 49 is the upper right-hand element. And then what do we have?
Sine 59.
Sine 59. sine 49. There we go. Does your matrix look like my matrix?
Wait, can you make your calculator wider?
Wider.
Make it. No, can you make it?
Yeah. It's just that it goes off the screen.
Yeah. Oh, can you make it like go on this way?
No, I don't think I can just drag
It
this.
shows it. Yeah, you can.
Smart Alec. Oh, but he made the whole thing bigger. Dang it.
Oh.
I wish it would make like a big fat calculator thing. I am the calculator you have a nightmare about. All right. Are we ready for this? Does everybody have their matrix looking like that? Okay, then I'm going to quit because I got burned once, like just doing second. And then I'm going to go second matrix again. Go to edit first. Whoops. Go to edit, then go down to B. Hit enter. It's a 2x1. Right? 0 and enter and 9.81. Enter. Does your matrix look like my matrix? Is anybody doing this? Okay. And then we're going to go second quit. And then go. Now we need to barf it out. So go second matrix. That's what names is for. So barf that guy out. Invert it. Second matrix. Go down to B. Barf out B. Drum roll. You must do a drum roll. There we go. Now, do you want to zoom, put the camera toward the front here? This is the exciting conclusion of this. Just point it toward me. Okay. There we go. We're good. All right. This one reads, the more vertical one reads a force of, well, it's between 6 and 7. Is that what it should be?
6.76.
Yeah, it's a little closer to 6 than 7, though. Oh, well. It's not perfect. It's a real world thing. This one reads a little more than 5.
5.3.
On these things, class, on these things, okay, and I'm going to stop it there.